In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DXtrade on TradingView. So first of all, you can actually do vice versa. So you can use TradingView on DXtrade. However, you can't really use DXtrade on TradingView, but it's pretty much the same thing because it serves the same function. Now, what I also wanted to tell you is that on the original dashboard over here, you will have, once you have your demo or real account inside DXtrade, you can't actually get TradingView, or at least I wasn't able to find it. However, if you're using DXtrade and you're connected with one of your brokers, such as some that are listed over here on their official website over here, you will be able to use it, okay? So if you're connected through any of these, then you just want to open up their trading platform over here, and then you want to click on Tools up here, and then over here at the very bottom, it should say TradingView. Again, it doesn't say it over here because I'm connected through a demo account, but if you're connected through one of these brokers or any others which have the DXtrade integration as well, you'll be able to see TradingView over here, and then once you click on that, you'll get a separate tab over here like this, which is going to be named TradingView, and then you'll be able to see all the charts and graphs from TradingView and use them like you would use TradingView on their website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.